Okay, so this is the second time I have worked with In Love Art Shop. I will share the haul video with you down below, so you can go check that out. I made a couple of cards, and I made a journaling card, and then I also made a shaker, and I did it all kind of in spring colors. I don't know why, that was just what I was feeling. I'm like, let's just go for it. So this is the first card here. I layered this heart paper that I had in my stash, and I distressed it with some pink ink. And then I put a band of some beautiful blue paper, and then I layered this flower. And on the yellow, I added some glitter paint. Now, these green leaves, they are actually from a separate die set. So the flower is from these dies right here, and I will have all the links for these down in my description box for you to go and check out. These leaves actually go with this die set here, but I thought it would be really fun to like mix and match all of these, so that's why I used the leaves on this. Thought it was so pretty. Love that. And then this is the other card I made. I distressed the edges with some green ink, and I added glitter to the leaves. I also just added a bit of ink to the leaves just to give it a little bit more interest on both cards. I left this one blank, and again, that is from this die set. And this is all the pieces you get in that one die set. So yeah, that was really, really fun. And I love these cards. I think they're just so pretty and are wonderful for a birthday or springtime or, you know, an anniversary, whenever. Okay, so that was those. I received this fence. That was a single die. And then I got this window with the planter and some flowers and leaves. So I didn't use the planter portion, but I made this journaling card, and what I did was I used the fence and I cut that out of some wood grain paper. But I used the flowers and leaves from this die set here. And I used that along the fence to make it look like flowers were growing up and out of it. These stamps are from In Love Art Shop, and I got those last time, as well as this little stamp here. And then, like I said, you can use it to journal on the back. So I thought that was really, really pretty and fun. And again, I chose all these dies so I can mix them all together. And then I made this beautiful, adorable shaker. So I only used the window portion of the die. And I added some flowers, and even on the inside, you can see I added some of the small die cut flowers, and I used that as shaker bit material on the inside as well. And then I don't know if you can see, but I added just a bit of shimmer on the back side of the tag. And then I just used that wood grain on the back side as well. And I used the wood grain for the window. There will be a discount code for all of you for In Love Art Shop down in my description box below, so check that out along with the website. Want to say a big thank you to In Love Art Shop, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.